Here come the animals one by one, marching out to have some fun. Lion roars loud, I lead the way. Monkey swings and shouts, hooray! Elephant stomps with a happy beat. Rabbit hops with speedy feet. Penguin waddles side to side. Giraffe walks tall with gentle pride. Kangaroo jumps, boing, boing, boing. Little birds tweet as they flap and sing. Turtle walks slow but never late. Zebra trots with stripes so great. Bear waves paws and claps along. Frog goes ribbit in a silly song. Fox twirls round with a fluffy tail. Dolphin splashes with a tearful wail. All together, hip hooray! Animal friends love to play. Clap your hands and join the parade. Best animal fun ever made. Down the road they laugh and glide, side by side in joyful stride. Rhymes time calls, come join today. It's the Animal Friends Parade. Hooray!
Click the subscribe button for more videos and press the bell for notifications.